Hi, I'm Todd Maher, California architect. This is Phoenix Rising. This project was born from the ashes of a quintessential Lake Tahoe cottage that burned to the ground. Hence the name Phoenix Rising for our new A-frame. Inside, you're going to see what we call mountain modern architecture here at Lake Tahoe. Come inside. A-frames were born in the United States somewhere in the 1950s and 60s as a recreational house. You'll notice from the outside, the A-frame has a strong geometry, hence the name A-frame. It's a symmetrical building. We've clad it in reclaimed wood siding and metal. We use the metal to highlight the geometry on the building. The wood siding is to connect the building back to its mountain environment. An interesting touch, the roof has been designed as a barcode for Squaw Valley, USA, currently now known as Palisades. It is my client's favorite ski area, so from the sky, it's simply a wonderful, unique roofline. While we call this a great room, it's fairly small, but functional. We have a wonderful wood-burning fireplace here. The chimney is built in locally sourced granite. Each piece was carefully selected for the lichen. The raised hearth also gives you an extra place to sit in the living room since it is such a small house. We have 4 decorative beams in the ceiling. Each of them contains lighting specifically to the tasks below them. Our interior design team created this wonderful circular multi-layered chandelier that really binds everything together in the center of this great room. Each space that needs additional daylight is provided with a unique dormer. So I added this dormer at the dining table so that someone could pass around, but also as you're sitting here, you could experience the great views just outside the windows. And just as important, it's right next to the kitchen. All the cabinetry is paint grade, kitchen counters are granite, sink at the island with bar seating. The under cabinet window provides daylight onto a working surface. The kitchen's fairly small, so it has to be very functional. My client wanted a whimsical stair. We've provided the only curve in this entire geometric straight-lined home right here in this stair. The stair railing is a nod back to our roofing pattern. This seemed like a great opportunity to bring the outside pattern to the inside of the house and make that connection. And at the top of the stairs, it's an entirely different experience for the A-frame. This is a very functional space. It was always designed to be additional sleeping space for everyone who's up skiing on the weekend. And as you turn around, you were looking at the back of the A-frame, beautiful gabled glass wall looking out into nature. You can almost reach out and touch the trees. We are now in the primary bedroom. It has a dormer, it's recessed, gives it a sense of grandeur here for the large bed. The A-frame roofline is expressed on both sides of the bed because we want the experience of being in an A-frame to show through in every part of the home. So after a long day of hiking or skiing here at Lake Tahoe, it's a great place to get some rest. Thank you for joining me for a tour of Phoenix Rising here at Lake Tahoe. I hope you had a great time. I sure did.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.